Hey guys, this is Jared with ProfilesThatPOP. I do these free profile pop-up posts to help as many as possible. Now, Niati's top 3 tips: headline, about, and skills. Let's get into it, why and how. Now notice if I back up a second here and I know her name, I start typing it in. She's got a nice short name, which allows me to see up to 4 words in her headline. Picture, she's zoomed in so we can make out her face and we know that's her when we want to say, oh yeah, that was her. I met her at the party or at the networking event, whatever it was. Now they're interested. They want to come and see your profile, or they're a recruiter and they want to get to know you. You've got a great picture. You're looking straight at us. It looks like business. I love it. You could have a billboard back there, by the way, and that would help only add to people when they visit your profile and help tell them what you're about. But that's an extra bonus thing. The main thing is getting into the headline. Now you've got a whole bunch of jam-packed skills, keywords in here, which is what I love about it. But I would like to also see maybe at the end a little bit more of a tagline. What is it that makes you great at that? Lure us in. Give us a feel for who you are. Now you start to get into that in your about section, which is the next point. Passionate, self-motivated, 2 years research experience, testing analysis. I open it up, seeking full-time opportunities in the etc. industry. Give me a little bit more of what you can do for me. Why are you passionate? What are you passionate about in the mechanical engineering field? How are you self-motivated? So you need to flush that out a little bit and do it in a way that above the fold, before I tapped on show more or see more, that we get a quick glimpse of why we should open that up and read more. Because, guys, you know this. People are going to look at the profile. They're going to come in here. They may only see that much. If they then are interested, they then look at this. They scroll. They look at the beginning of the about. They see experience. And then here's my third tip. They're going to come in here and they're going to see skills. Office, Excel, public speaking. That doesn't seem to jive with what I see even in the headline. So that's also the biggest thing that I see here. You need to be adding, you can have up to 50 skills. Get the mechanical engineering as one of your top skills, even if you don't have as many endorsements. By having it up there, people will see it. They may have worked with you. They will be willing to endorse you. Also, endorse others. They'll be more likely to endorse you. So that is the top 3. Trying to keep this about 2 minutes. Let me know what you thought. Thanks so much.